Yo, this is Kitty Cat. Yo, guys, I am back. Hey, I am back. I don't know if y'all are excited or what, but I am back. Anyway, guys, let's just get into it. I'm not gonna even waste time. I know y'all miss me, so I just want to, show y'all what's popping today. We're gonna be doing some wall art, very easy DIY. This is the reason why you're here. Bruh. That's DIY, trying to pimp up your room. Let's get into it. To my new subscribers, hi guys, you're about to witness some cringy jokes here and there throughout all my videos that you've probably watched. And to my old subscribers, hey guys, welcome back. Let's get into today's video. I don't want to even waste time. Let's go.
Use a hot glue gun. You can get it at Crazy Store for 100 Rand, but mine I got mine from a Chinese store for 70 Rand. Bargains, bargains, bargains. We're gonna use this hot glue gun to glue the strings onto this hula hoop. Let's get into it.
Guys, so this is the end of the video, unfortunately. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think of the video by liking, subscribing, and commenting. If you would like to share your pictures, do share on my social media platforms right below. So let's keep going, guys. Bye.